Welcome everybody to this new video of TechPress. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get started by connecting a domain to Shopify. So first of all guys, what I wanted to do is to have two things, a Shopify store and an actual domain purchased. If you don't have a domain purchased, what you wanted to do is to buy one directly into, for example, Namecheap or here directly inside Shopify. So there's two ways that you can do this. You can always go here into Shopify, go into settings, and here let's focus directly into domains. If you don't have a Shopify store, I'm going to leave you the link down below in the description guys, so you can all get started totally for free. You can get started here by buying a new domain. Let's say for example that our website is called Bulgar. So let's go here and let's go for domain and I go for Bulgar. And there we go. I should see here Bulgar is not available for us, but there's a lot of stuff that we can choose if you wanted to get started with. Now, if you wanted to look out for something much more cheaper, let's go into Namecheap.com. Inside, for example, here, you can go here into Namecheap, you can go inside domains, and here you can look out exactly for the same stuff. Let's say, for example, Bulgar. Here now into search, and here usually what I do have is a lot of websites that are available for me that are a little bit much more cheaper than the other ones. For example, this one is only $2 per year. Scrolling down, I have bulgar.pix, I have $1 of course of the bulgar.shop, and so on and on and on. So what I wanted to be doing here is to go here into add to cart and purchase my website. So now that I made the purchase of the domain, I can go here into my domains or directly here into my account, go into my domain list. And as you see here is the domains that we have just currently have. So now what I wanted to do is to get started by importing my domain. So here what I wanted to do is to go back into my store. And instead of going with the domains by new domain, let's connect an existing domain. Now here into the domain, what you wanted to do is to copy and paste the actual domain that you're currently having into your provider. In this case, let's go and try with something like this. So I copy all of this, I go back here and I paste it. Let's hit now into next. Now here, as you see here is the connect your domain. To connect your domain, follow instructions to change your provider account settings. So here are the follow setting instructions. So you click on it, and you should see that we're having a new blog into Shopify that can be helping us to get started with the actual integration of our website. Today, I'm going to just go back and let's focus now into verify connection. Of course, this one is going to be working, but we do have the recodes that we needed to get started with. So what we wanted to do, of course, is to get started by adding all of these values directly into our website. So if I go back here into Namecheap, as you see here is my domain list. Once again, I'm going to choose my domain that I currently have. And now let's go into managed. Inside managed, we have all the information about our website, the domain, the products, the sharing and transfer, and the advanced DNS. What you wanted to do is to get started by adding an advanced DNS, which is all of this information. So for example, it's going to be asking me for an A record. So if I go back here, what I wanted to do is to add a new record. A record is going to be asking me for a host and an IP address. In this case, the host, it will be at, and the IP address is empty. So here I'm going to go back, of course, into this advanced DNS. Let's go for add, and the IP address is like this. And here I just save the changes. Now later on I'm going to add a new record. This one should be now the CNAME, the www, here's the current value and the required value. So I copy this, and here I needed to paste this directly in here. And there we go. Now what I wanted to do is to go back and verify the connection once again. Now this might be taking a few minutes in order to get accepted. Make sure that you don't have more than one CNAME and more than one A record, because of course it's not going to be letting you continue, and it's going to be of course getting things slower. So now I'm going to go back and try to verify the connection. As you should see now, my domain has the SSL pending. That means that this redirection is actually working so far, but of course it needs to have a little bit of time in order for the actual domain. So just wait a few minutes till the SSL has been now successfully added, and of course it's not going to be taking a lot of time. Now, after you make the verification of that, let's verify the domain connection. After you have adjusted DNS settings, you want to click into the verify connection after we actually be patient of that, and then go back, of course, inside our store. inside the online store. As you should see here is my Shopify URL. I'm going to reload the page and see if this one has now been changed. So as you should see now, it says techexpress.lat, the passcode. Lastly, what I just need to do, of course, is to have into the online store, exploring into my preferences and make sure that I don't have an actual passcode restrictions. So far, we have done something really easy, and now my online store has the current URL. And there you have it, guys, connecting your domain to Shopify into the 2024. If you find this guide helpful, guys, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more Shopify insights, hit that notification bell. Thank you for joining us today, guys. Here's the unique and memorable online process for your Shopify store, guys. So hopefully we can all see you next time.